Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday urged citizens to take 9 pledges aimed at building a developed Karnataka and India while inaugurating the Sri Guru Bhairavaikya Mandira at Adichunchanagiri Mahasamsthana Mutt in Mandya. The Prime Minister called for water conservation, tree plantation under the Ek Peda Ma Ke Naam, campaign cleanliness in public and religious places, promotion of vocal for local, domestic tourism, chemical-free natural farming, healthy eating with millets and reduced oil consumption, yoga and fitness, and a spirit of service. He said these resolutions would help build a developed Karnataka and India. Modi inaugurated the memorial dedicated to Sri Balagangadharanatha Mahaswami and visited Jwalapita and Sri Kalabhairaveshwara Swami temple. He described Karnataka as rich in both philosophical wisdom and technological strength. The Prime Minister also released the book Saundarya Lahari and Shiva Mahimna Stotram, along with former Prime Minister Deve Gowda, and praised the contribution of the Mutt, noting that the legacy is being carried forward by Nirmala Nandanatha Mahaswami. He also highlighted the late seer's contributions to education and healthcare and referred to initiatives like Ayushman Bharat. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was received by Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah along with Karnataka Revenue Minister Deve Gowda at HAL Airport in Bengaluru on Wednesday. During the meeting, the Chief Minister submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister Modi seeking intervention on 18 issues, including constitutional protection for the state's 56% reservation policy and the release of pending funds. He said Karnataka has not received 2,860 crore rupees for financial year 2026-27 under the 15th Finance Commission grants and sought the release of 17,554 crore rupees in pending funds. The Chief Minister also sought approval for major projects including the Bengaluru-Mysuru high-speed rail, Bengaluru-Mumbai corridor and the railway coach factory in Kolar. He urged the centre to expedite approval for the Mekedatu Project and sought central assistance for Upper Bhadra and Upper Krishna Stage 3, along with notification of the Krishna Water Disputes Tribunal 2nd Award. Siddaramaiah also requested wildlife clearance for the Kalasa Nala diversion project, a special grant of 6,000 crore rupees for Bengaluru, annual support of 5,000 crore rupees for Kalyana Karnataka under Article 371 Clause J, and the establishment of an AIIMS in Raichur.